The ultimate Pubyfun BunnyPal review. Tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've ever wanted a fun, interactive companion, most people get this wrong by buying generic toys that quickly lose appeal. The surprising truth about Pubyfun BunnyPal is that it combines play, learning and companionship in one adorable, interactive device that keeps kids engaged for hours. First, unbox your BunnyPal. You won't believe how intuitive the setup is. Charge the device fully, press the power button, and follow the simple pairing instructions with its app or onboard interface. Next, explore its interactive features. Most people get this wrong by only pressing buttons randomly. BunnyPal responds to touch, voice, and movement. You can teach it tricks, play games, and even track learning milestones, making it both entertaining and educational. Check connectivity options. The surprising truth is that BunnyPal can connect to multiple devices for updates, games, and customizations. Make sure your app is synced for a full experience. Safety and durability matter. You won't believe how many users overlook this. BunnyPal is designed with child-safe materials and a robust build to withstand active play. In conclusion, the Pubyfun BunnyPal can take you from 0 to pro in interactive play. By setting it up correctly, exploring its features fully, connecting it to your devices, and understanding its safety benefits, you can enjoy a toy that is fun, educational, and engaging for children of all ages.